Hello guys, marytacty here. So today I decided that my car is not giving that much pressure because I did think there's something wrong with the turbo. So that's why I came here in Sharjah to my mechanic, and I just wanted to show the car that what is wrong with the car. I believe there must be some leakage in the pipes, or maybe in the turbo there's some one nozzle in it. So maybe there's some leakage in it. Also, I will show what's inside this Sharjah market, and people are making cars over here, the wrecked cars. They are reconstructing it, remaking it. There's a restoration just like my channel. So I think it will be interesting for you guys to have a look at it. And about my car, the RPM is okay, not even the RPM, because you see there's not much pressure. So I believe there's some leakage in the turbo. So let's have a look, and I will show my mechanic, and then I will show you about the market around here. It's Sharjah Industrial. Well, this is my car. You absolutely know that. This mechanic is famous for the German cars. You can see it's E series E63. Something is wrong with it. Definitely, let me ask what's the issue with this car. Continental putting the engine, the nose, I believe. Audi, as usual, changing the engine and the whole transmission. I haven't shown you the Range Rover, the legendary car, always with the mechanic. So this is the industrial area, Sharjah. There's some shops here for electronics, mechanic, repairing, paint shop, body shop, you can say. So this is a Corvette, one of my fave, also in red. This is the paint shop. People are making cars over here. This is a Land Cruiser, and I think it's it's a repaint. Whole of the car is in a remake, but I believe it's they are doing it good, and they have the paint booth inside. And this Lala is saying that this is also in the make. Just painted the. इसका bumper paint किया ना सारा. So the whole car is painted right now, and for me, if I can see, it's a new car. They made it a new car. There is also one more car on the back. This is a C63. You can hear just like mine, the W204. So it's a very good business. It's people have a lot of margin in this business. That's why they are doing this. Even importing the cars from America and making it here. So there were some scratches over my car. I don't know what happened. So I asked for a compound, and now I want to apply here. Let's see how it goes. So somehow the little bit scratches are removed because I didn't had this machine, but still you can see that it's quite clear now. Yeah, I know the stuff. Thank you. There there is some compound on the top, that's why it's not very clear. I will take the car to the car wash and I will see and I will update you guys. Also, it's too hot outside, more than 45, 47 degrees Celsius. Uh, so in these conditions, also the laborers, they feel really difficult to do the work. That's why in the between the day and midday, they're having the break. In Sharjah, it's a regular from 1 till 4 or 5 p.m. But in whole UAE nowadays is a break for the laborers. That's why I think it's good because it's really hot weather, so you can't bear this heat. This is the office of this workshop. Let me show you. They have everything you need, the lubes and all. I'm thinking to start this kind of business also. I had back home in Pakistan, um, but at those time the COVID going on, and that's how I left the business. But still hoping. Let's see what can we get from UAE. Going for a test drive, the guy. So now I'm gonna check it because there was some error showing up in the scanner. So now they asked me to check the car. Let's see how it goes. I know I can't drive like this, but it's not a main road. I don't think it's going okay because I'm pushing the accelerator too much and it's not the power is not the same just like before. So I believe there's some issue with the turbo. So guys, ultimately the issue is not resolved because it was really hot there and the guy was not there, and he said that you need to give your car, and there was some issue with the turbo, there was some leakage as I was telling you, and rest one of the coil which was misfiring. That's why I needed to give the car. But I needed to go back to hit the office. That's why I came back. So I thought I should let you guys know that there won't be any maintenance for now. Up till next time, I will go back again and I need to fix something with the turbo and the coils, which the misfiring is coming from there. That was it. See you next time. Take care. Spread happiness. Share joy. Live happily. See you next time.